Hi, my name is John Buttram, and I'm the Senior Director of Builder, Multifamily, and HOA at ADT. I'm thrilled to announce ADT's national partnership with Redfin, the technology-powered real estate company, to provide peace of mind for homebuyers and sellers and enable greater convenience for touring and showing homes. ADT now provides 24/7 security monitoring and smart home services for homes with Redfin Direct Access, a feature that lets prospective homebuyers tour vacant Redfin-listed homes with or without an agent using the Redfin app to unlock the door. Our team of 5,000 smart home installation professionals will install the smart locks and sensors that allow buyers to enter and tour a home worry-free, while also keeping sellers informed about who enters and exits the property. Now let's turn it over to Redfin to hear more about the partnership.
I'm Daryl Fairweather. I'm the Chief Economist at Redfin. We're really excited about this partnership with ADT and the benefits it will provide to our home sellers and buyers. On the selling side, our customers have one goal: to sell their homes quickly for top dollar. And by making it easier for buyers to tour on their own, direct access drives more foot traffic to our listings. Homes with direct access get double the tours. And sellers can have peace of mind knowing that their home is protected by ADT, the most trusted brand in home security. For buyers, the benefit is speed. In this competitive market, many homes are going under contract within days. Direct access helps buyers see homes they love faster and on their own schedule without having to coordinate with an agent. And the buyers benefit from purchasing a new home with pre-installed smart home system to protect their new home. ADT is a well-known brand in home security, and we're excited about the potential of this partnership to truly change the way that people see homes.
We're excited to partner with Redfin to create meaningful innovation around the home buying process and introduce more homeowners to the benefits of smart home security.